Ready to turn your construction project dreams into reality? Discover how CAD Construct LLC can help bring your vision to life. We have the solution. At CAD Construct LLC, we use innovative technology to help transform your construction project ideas into reality. From 2D layouts to 3D models and VR tours of existing sites or new designs, we're here to assist you with your project. Our Building Information Modeling, BIM, offers detailed 3D models with embedded data. And the best part? Step into your newly designed space before a single nail is hammered with our immersive VR tours. From architects and engineers to builders and homeowners, we're here to support your construction project with affordable, high-quality digital project services. From upgrading a single room to building an entirely new space, we're here to assist you with the process. Bring your vision to life with CAD Construct LLC. Visit us at cadconstructllc.com or call us today. CAD Construct LLC, innovating project design for homeowners and builders.